Hello everyone, welcome to Sahuda Online TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time on this channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to block your Android phone from visiting adult websites like pornographic website, etc. Because many of our younger ones with Android phones has unlimited access to many websites on the internet today, including adult websites. While as a parent, it's our responsibilities to look after them because such websites are promoting immorality in our society today. According to the research, there are almost 350 million domains website on the internet today, while there are at least 4 million adult websites among those, which is approximately 12% of all websites globally are belong to what? The adult website, that is pornographic. In another report, the global pornography industry is worth around $94 billion. If you convert it into Nigerian money, it is almost 74 trillion 594 billion 940 million naira, which is a huge amount of money. So those websites, they are generating a huge amount of money because they have viewers globally, and the viewers are almost growing day by day. Day by day, they are growing. So we have to do something about it. Otherwise, our younger one will end up wasting their time on this adult website. So while we know mobile phone is a source of blessing to us if we utilize it according to the teaching of our religion. Otherwise, it will be a source of destructions to our generation. So we believe there are many people who are using their phone, or their phone will be a source of leading them to hellfire, and we ask Allah the Most High to guide us through. So without stressing you too much, the first thing to do, let's click on our application settings of our phone. Application settings of our mobile phone, and we click on it. So we can see there are many features. The first one is my phone, SIM card and mobile network, Wi-Fi, hotspot and sharing, more connections. Then you click on more connections. So we have click on more connections. Here is another features: airplane mode, VPN, Wi-Fi, direct by private DNS. Then you click on private DNS. So if you can't able to locate it here, let's go back a little, and then we type in manually. Just let's type in manually here in the search bar of your phone settings. So this is search bar. This very search bar I'm pointing at. The arrow is pointing. Then you type in manually. Type in what? Type in manually. You type in private DNS. Private DNS. Then the rest will pop up. MashaAllah, it has popped up already. So here is private DNS. Let's click on it. So there are three options. The first one is off, automatic, private DNS provider hostname. You click on the last option. Then after you click on it, and let's on it. So the next thing to do, let's type in this address. The address is start with adult dot filter adult slash adult dash filter, not slash, dash, adult dash filter, dash DNS again, dot cleanbrowsing.org. Adult dash filter dash DNN dot cleanbrowsing.org. The address. This is the address. Adult dash filter dash DNS dot cleanbrowsing.org. So after you have typed in the address correctly, then click on the save icon. Click on what? Save icon. So after we click on save icon, we are almost done with this page. Let's go to the next page, which is let's try searching those or wanted or adult videos. So let's try one application, which is Opera Mini. Opera Mini search engine application. So we have clicked on Opera Mini search engine application. Let's search for such videos together. Let's type in porn video and see whether we can access it or not. So let's type in porn video manually and see whether we can access it or not. So we have typed in porn video, so let's click on search. We have click on search and then the website will pop up. So you can see these are the different categories of the website. So let's click on the first one and see whether we can access the video or we can watch the video or not. Let's see. So you have click on it and then it will let's see, you see it have declined. Web page not available, you see. So we have done our distance successful. That's it. So once you follow this process and then your phone has been blocked automatically, no one can able to access such adult website on your Android phone. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your loved ones.